Okay, so the other week, you've probably, if you haven't already seen that, go and check out the video. I fitted this vent window in the side of the van, and what we've done is we've made a window frame here. Now, the window frame was made so that it would protrude past the cladding, and the reason for that is I didn't know exactly where the cladding was going to finish. So all this is a ply box that's cut to the internal dimensions of the window itself. I'll show you a close-up of that in a minute. So it's 9mm ply, and all I've done is glued and pinned that together to make a box. Now, to get that to the same level as the ply, all I'm going to do is take a pencil, and I've got the underside there scribed out. So if I get that in, I'll show you properly. So that goes up there, and that gives me my final finish on the cladding around the window. So all you're going to do is take a pencil, and you're literally going to mark off from the cladding to the box all the way along. And what that's going to do is going to give us a line all the way around the box. Now, if I take that out there, I will show you. There's a line there all the way around. All we're going to do is take that outside. I'm going to jigsaw that off, sand it. It doesn't matter if it's too rough, because there's going to be a face frame going on here all around to finish the edges off. So let's head over to the table. I'm going to jigsaw that off, and then we'll get it back in, check if it's flush, and then we can get the cladding on. Okay, so got the frame cut, and then it's just getting it back in there. Right, so that's in flush, and then what we'll do is we'll take this piece here, it's going to go in underneath, and then as you can see, that's pretty much flush there, and all I'll do is I'll use a piece of wood to just trim it so that it's nice and neat, and then if it needs it, I'll just silicone the gap.